All right, we're looking at HabitBull, which is an app for the Android phone, and it's an application that allows you to track your habits. Now, I'm using the free version, which allows me to track up to 5 habits, where the premium version, which is about $5 through the Android Play Store, will allow you to track up to 100 habits. And you can see here the screen that we're looking at. It shows all of my habits from reminding me to drink water because I want to drink more water throughout the day, watch a couple of course lectures online, read a couple of chapters, meditate, and create content. So these are the 5 habits that I thought were the most important. And Habitable says that it takes at least 66 days for a habit to stick and become something that you do on a regular basis. But I've read that it's about 21 days. Anyway, we're taking a look here at all habits on this screen, and we're looking at weekly, and I can go through and I can go back and I can look at the previous week, or I'm on my current week right now, and all I do is just tap on the date. And this says here that I've been doing this for 10 days, that I'm amazing, I can share my progress. So it's got some nice little things that come up, including reminders that come up here at the top of the phone to remind you to do these habits. And the drink water habit, I have that set to remind me 8 times a day so that I'm making sure that I'm getting enough water. And then once you've completed that habit, you just tap on the date and it highlights with the color that you choose, and you can set that here by going into the settings. So let's go into drink water right here. So you can see that we can click on edit, and I've got the different colors there. It is a health and fitness habit, and you can click on this here and we'll change that to drinking water. And then you can set a description if you want and just click on next and then edit the habit on which day do you want this. So I can do every day or some days. You can do repeating. You can see their dates till success. So April 8th of this year would be the date that I would have success with the habit if I was completing it on a regular basis. And this is just a yes or no every day. Um, and then let me go back to drinking water here. I just wanted to slide that up. You can scroll down and you can see that it's a yes or no. It's every day. There's your success percentage, your streak progress, entered values there. Current streak is 11 days. I've got a target of 66 days. And you can see that there's 100% success rate on drinking water. And then you also have these other individuals here, discussion and topics and things like that on drinking water that you can kind of read through and see what other people are doing. And I believe that that might be like a premium feature. You can see like watch courses here. I haven't been as successful with that one, and you can see the percentage there where it drops down, and you can see that the current streak, and then there's mindset discussions and things like that. So it's kind of a cool application, and you can set again. You can go in and you can edit the description. So this is self improvement, mindset. Let's see, time management, meditation. Let's see. So that's, let's see, time management, tidiness, procrastination. And we can call that do good. And then every day, same thing as the other ones right there. And then you can go through and set the reminders, let you know, if you wanted to do this, like let's say every other day or something like that. But right now I've got it set that I want to read every day and I want to watch a couple of lectures every day. You can set notes right there. And if you've got the premium version, you can synchronize it. You can lock this too if you want to keep things private. You can edit multiple days right there. So it's a cool application. I mean, it's free and you can just jump in between. And here's where you can add a new habit if you've got the premium. I'm going to click on Let's Do This. You can see what the free version has right there. If you go premium, you can track up to 100. You can get cloud backup, syncing across devices. So I have a tablet, so it would keep it synced with the Android tablet. There's some widgets so that you can add a widget onto your phone so you get easy access to the habits. And you can export your data to an Excel spreadsheet. That's what CSV is. And then you get all of the updates, and you can see here some of the reviews in the Google Play Store. And then at the bottom here, $4.99 is not bad. It's a one-time fee for the application. And just remember that there's a lot of these applications that are out there for free, and there are people who are developing these applications to make our lives better. And so when we buy these applications, it allows them to continue to develop and make improvements to these applications. So this is just one that I use for tracking my habits. One more thing right here, you can sort this by your score or the order that you have um, set up. And then there's a quick guide, participate, your profile, your settings, FAQs, and a little disclaimer right there. So check out HabitBull. I'm not sure if it's available for iPhone, but you can check that out with the iTunes Store or the store for the applications for Apple phones. I use an Android phone, but again, this is HabitBull. Check it out and let me know what you think.